What are we gonna get from the garden?
Beets.
Okay, let's see which beet we want to get. All right, look, that looks. There's a couple of good ones in here. Let's take this one. It's got a few bugs on it, but I think it's good. All right, grab all of that, and can you pull it out of there? Use two hands. Oh, you got it. Thought you might need to use two hands. Show it to me. Let's take this one. Pull that. Okay, so grab that one too. All right, let's go. I always make sure to really clean my produce whenever I'm juicing. I even take a toothbrush and scrub everything down really good and just, get in all of those little nooks and crannies. And I'm going to cut off quite a bit of the skin on this beet since I am juicing it. But all of the parts of a beet are edible, even the greens. They make a really good addition just eating them fresh, adding them into your salad, or sometimes I saute them down kind of like a mustard green and use them as a side. But these I'm going to juice. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Look at that. I don't always peel the skin off of the cucumbers that I use when I juice, but I forgot that these are actually just overgrown pickling cucumbers that just kind of got too big. So the skin on a pickling cucumber is a lot more bitter than on a slicing cucumber, like those really dark green ones that you find at the grocery store. So I went on ahead and just took the skin off of these just so that I wouldn't have that bitter flavor. And for this drink, I am literally just using cucumbers and beets, and that is it. There are multitudes of recipes, really good ones that I'd really like to try all over Pinterest, all over YouTube. I'm sure you could Google some recipes. A lot of them use apples, pears, kale, carrots, beets. Most of them are going to call for either celery or cucumbers because they are really watery vegetables and they create quite a lot of juice. So I tend to like to use the cucumbers as my base, sort of. Just because it's a little bit more mild than the celery. Feel free to share your favorite juicing recipes in the comments. Thanks for watching.